Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Windows version because the steps differ. Once done, open Settings with Windows plus I or start right arrow settings. You need access to personalization and ease of access controls, so make sure your account has admin rights if prompted. First actionable step. Go to Personalization, then Themes or Colors depending on your build. This grants the controls that change text color system-wide versus app-specific colors. Understand that distinction before proceeding to color selection. Once in Colors, pick an accent or custom color and test it in the preview. You do this to see how system UI elements update. For changing text specifically, open high contrast settings and customize the text, hyperlink, and disabled items. This changes many UI fonts. If older apps ignore settings, you may need a registry tweak under HKCU/control panel/colors. Make a backup first. Make sure to test readability and contrast to avoid accessibility problems. You finish by applying and saving changes, then sign out or restart to ensure all processes adopt the new colors. If some apps still show the old color, check their individual appearance settings and reapply the Windows theme. Clearing the theme cache can help. If you use the registry and something breaks, restore the backup immediately and run sfc/scano to repair system files. One key tip: always keep a registry backup and test contrast to prevent unreadable text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.